One of Snapchat's functions is to automatically delete messages once it has been seen and opened. But it's not always a convenient feature. You can't really control the time you can view another person's snap, but you can easily change yours. Here's how. Launch the Snapchat application on your phone. Next, snap a photo. Then tap the timer icon on the right side of your screen. From there, you can scroll to select the duration your snap can be viewed. Once you're done, tap the back arrow. Now you can send it to the recipient that you want. And if you want to send a video, you can loop it to increase its duration. To do so, launch Snapchat, then record your video. Tap on the loop icon from the options and make sure that the icon is showing the infinity sign. And there you have it. Now the recipient will have a longer time to appreciate your snaps. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more guides, and check out our other videos that might help you out.